Hi friends, in this garden update video we'll show you our chili harvest for this season. So this is the plant from which I'll be harvesting the chilies. You can see this is quite an old plant. It's around the second growing season. I think 2-3 year old plant it is. It was initially affected by leaf curl virus, so it's not that healthy, but this year it has generated quite a lot of chilies. You can see the size of the chilies are small, but that's not because of the disease. It is because of the variety of this chili. It is a short variety chili, but it's quite hot. So you can see all of them. We'll be harvesting one by one. So this will be our first. Let's see what this will be our second. You can see so many of them are there. Lovely harvest. Till now this many. Let's see if any we have skipped. Yeah, here is one more. Okay, this is a tiny one. It will grow bigger. Over here you can see. Lovely. Okay, this also can be harvested. I guess that is it. These are small ones. By the way, this is our bloom of hue flower, the double petal variety. Isn't it lovely? Okay. One more is over here. Let's see. This one got skipped. It's camouflaged completely green. Okay. Okay, I think over here. Yep. One more is over here. This can grow bigger. Okay. So that is it, I guess. Yeah. So I hope you love this short, quick update of my garden. See you later. Bye.